Well, dear students, class 10th, here we are ready with the lesson, Unit 3, Gentlemen of Rio and Medio by Juan A. Cirillo. So, I have already briefed you the lesson, explanation, word meanings, and told you time and again to go through all the words, all the sentences you will read. In the smartphone, open your dictionary. If any doubt, immediately click dictionary, get the correct word meaning in English. In this way, you will enrich your vocabulary and grammar will be perfect. More than that, before going to start today's lesson, please follow my boardwalk, 10th group Jesse's English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. Get ready with your textbook, a simple pencil in your hand, all the attachment papers, time to time with the video lesson you are getting from my side, along with your notebook. Keep on writing all the writing tasks, do it bravely, make it neat and clean walk in your notebook. Submit me time to time coming in the school premise. All the correction work should be perfect and study continuously. Think for your SSLC board examination. Only hardly 2 months in your hand. So you should be class 10th group very serious about your subject knowledge. Well, 10th group, get ready. Pay attention. See learning points. Listen and respond. Check your understanding. All the question answers. How will you share your responses? Whenever you are checking your understanding to comprehend, to understand, to gain the knowledge, time to time, with the separate lesson plan, I am sending all the attachment. You will keep on reading and you will write the test and you will fulfill your dreams through your writing work, all activities and all lesson-wise question answers in which way I am giving you the attachment. You will write all the things in your notebook. Make notes properly in your day-to-day. You update yourself with your lesson plan in English. Well, then read and respond. Page 57, obviously your textbook. Grammar for communication purpose. Speak well. Page 55 from your textbook. Enrich your vocabulary. Practice interesting grammar activities. How to practice interesting some grammar activities? Obviously, I have told you that in which way, in which manner you will collect whenever you are reading difficult words. Make a list in your notebook. Interesting words. Make a list in your notebook. Very common words. Make a list in your notebook. Similar manner, you will do this activity game also. That one, your grammar activities. In attachment, I will send today after explanation some grammar activities with their title, with the topic, and you will accordingly write it with blue and black pen simultaneously in your notebook. Clear, dear students, 10th group? Now 10th group, get ready, attention and put your concentration on your reading materials. Page 55, open your textbook, page 55, page number 55, here you see I have already marked, speak well, page 55, speak well. So how to speak well? Here SSLC board designed something and I hope so that you have to go through it. You will practice more and more reading. In which way your English teacher is reading. You have to become perfect with your English teacher's phonetics so that your phonetic skill will be developed. Read aloud at home and read like your English faculty. Speak well. Reading activities. Open your textbook, page 55, 10th group. Here is an imaginary conversation, dialogues, between the old man and the storyteller in the act of negotiation. Some deal is going on. Take roles and say, role play, very important nowadays. Role play in English literature. So, 2 friends or 4 friends, you can make a group online, in which way conference chatting going on. Open your textbook, you 4 good friends or you 2 good friends, it's up to you. You set yourself, switch on your mobile and then start your chatting conference. In which way you do generally 1%, 2% and 4%, 6% gathered togetherly. So online 2 ways you can do, verbal one also and typing one also. But here you will do the verbal one, so that you will speak, your friend will listen, your friend will speak and you will listen. Automatically you will understand that how much clear your voice, how much clear your friend's voice and so on. So, storyteller, 1 person and another person, the old man. So, here we are getting how many person? Only 2 person. Yeah, 1 friend is there. So, you can tell another friend to become 1 friend, or one of you can also converse like a friend. It's your understanding. Start your vocabulary game through online chatting. Speak well. So verbal chatting, not typing here. Verbal chatting, do it in this way. Storyteller. Good morning, Don Anselmo, the old man. Very good morning. Storyteller. Please be seated. The old man. Thank you. He sits. Turn over page 56. 10th group. Storyteller. The weather is fantastic today. It's beautiful, lovely. Isn't it? The old man. Of course. Well, comma. Well, little pause. You sent for me. Full stop. Full breath. Full stop. What's the matter? Note of interrogation. Storyteller. You know, we are thinking of buying a site for our American friends. Please meet them. He introduces them to each other. They shake hands. I heard you want to sell your land across the river. Am I right? Note of interrogation. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Different tuning can come, different tone. But voice will merge in such a way according to it should be intermingling with your punctuation marks. It's very important. You should know how to read. You should know how to write correct English. That's very important. When 10th group, you already put your leg in English medium institution. English should be perfect. So please children, practice. You will become good, I assure you, because I'm your English teacher now. So dear students, 10th group, follow me. Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Am I right? Anyways, you can speak, but your tone will reflect note of interrogation, questioning to others. The old man. You are right. Full stop. That's means that is. That's just what I am. I am. I apostrophe M means I am. I am. I means I apostrophe M. I am. Thinking about storyteller. If you don't mind, please quote your price. The old man. Sure. It's $1,200. Storyteller. You mean $1,200 for the entire site? The old man, that's exactly what I mean. Do you agree with the price? The storyteller, no, I was only thinking that the land is really worth more. Means big price than what you have quoted. How about $20,000? Turns towards the American friend. Friend, what's your opinion? Friend, I do agree with your quote. Of course. Storyteller, would you care to accept my price? The old man, seeming to be hurt. Friend, I don't like to have you speak to me in that manner. Very sorry. Storyteller, apologetically. Excuse me, please. I never meant to hurt you. If I did, I'm terribly sorry. What do you think you would do? The old man. All right. Please, see. I know the Americans. They are very generous. But I don't like to be insulted. If I say $1,200, it is the price. I don't need a cent more. Storyteller, thank you. Here's $1,200. A check, if you don't mind. The old man, not at all. He takes the check and signs the bond. That's all portion today in this video. So you please make your concept ready in which way reading activities should be perfect. Read and respond, speak well. Very, very important activity in your life. Do it, children. Shortly coming back with a continued lesson. Thank you very much.